Welcome back, part 2. We are now auditioning Cycle Kit 7 Analog vs. AI part 2. Alright, so like I was telling you before, the red pads is always the royalty-free loops or whatever. Your white pads are going to be your kick, purple your snare, the blue are going to be your hi-hats, and everything else have a separate color there. So, let's begin. Okay, so let's go to the next. All right, to the next program. Next program. All right, let's go to the next program. Let's go to the next program. Okay, that one right there. And the green, they're going to represent basically drum breaks or whatever. And like I said, these are tempo based. So whatever tempo you have, the drum breaks are a match. All right, so let's go to the next program. Okay. Let's go to 15. So this would be the last program. All right. All right, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. That was part 2, Cycle Kit 7, Analog vs. AI. Peace. Love y'all. Respect y'all. Head to cyclekit.com.